Come on, little derpies. You've got the tiger spirit. If you have a heart, Sprunki's a part of you. But now, it's time for a little world building. Coca. You know what goes great with soda? Mints. See? Now wasn't that a great explosion? Uh-oh, we're not supposed to get it wet. Maybe pressing more buttons will help.
Oops.
Well, I'm out of ideas. An SOS? Grab it! A door. Might as well go through it. You too, creepy guy. Wow, we're in a whole new world. Sensing a block theme. Was I wrong? Ooh, guess some assembly's required. Our Sprunki friends sure look great in 3D. But it's a shame they can't all be here. Ooh, I think Mr. Black's up to something. Ah, lightning. What can't it do? Orin, Sky, Binaria, they're alive! Alive! It's Night of the Living Sprunki! Oh, how are we going to save them? Now, Mr. Black, necromancy's very naughty. Wait, cola! The answer to all life's problems! Once again, soda has saved the day. Now, you guys go back to your dirt nap. Derpy. Since the gang's all here, let's race them. Come on, little derpies. You've got the tiger spirit. In fact, you might actually be tiger spirits. It's a tie! Everyone's a winner when Derpy's around. Here, guys, we've got a special sleeping nook for you. What? You need a lullaby? Well, Rumi is a singer. Oh, it's the atmosphere. You want a cooler bed. Well, we're all out of race car beds. I checked. But that derpy-shaped piece of cardboard might help. All we need now is a paintbrush. No, a paintbrush. No, a paintbrush. That's it. Don't be blue, unless you're derpy. Then it's on brand. The same also applies to the Smurfs. Next, we'll need a sock scribe? Oh, I see what you guys did there. Either way, we can use it to make pillows. Hey, Mr. Rooster needs our help. All part of the K-pop Demon Hunter's job.
Bye-bye.
And this bed could use this stylish chain. Derpy ain't got that thing if we ain't got that swing. Come on, Sprunkies, enjoy your new bed and ambiance. Oh, this place is really coming together, but it still needs something. The remote. Let's just watch videos on your phone. Hopefully nothing happens when your back is turned. Oh no! The Sprunkies are out and about! Yeah, Rumi, I'd come back if I were you. Oh no! They broke the TV! Sure, online videos are funnier. And far better written, but still, it's TV! Maybe you Sprunkies can fix it before she gets back. Something tells me that some cardboard will save the day. Not sure what Rumi's up to, but she might be a while. That should give you plenty of time to fix things. Add a few stickers and it'll look just like a TV. Stand it up and add a nice background. Ooh, you're gonna put on a show. Just in time, Roomies found the remote. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. Music brings all of our Sprunky friends together. Now, Funbot, you can fill the room with music. And without using a baseball bat, no less. Sky's got groceries, but there's nowhere to put it. Don't be blue. Cardboard to the rescue. Add some yellow, and it's our old pal Simon. Thanks, Funbot. Ratty, just what we need. Now we can make Simon's better half. Look, it's a Simon refrigerator. He'll keep things lemony fresh. Well, one assumes. Of course, we could use a few more appliances. Set up the table. It's almost time to set the table. But first, let's take out the trash. Uh-oh! Oh, it's okay. This cool tool should help. A Wenda vacuum. She'll help keep the trash all in one place. I think we earned a soda. Uh-oh, the table! We forgot to set it! But first things first, we need things to actually set it with. Let's start things off with a pie? Chicken pot? Or something sweet? Looks like we're going with sweet. And it's blueberry by the looks of it. Let's add our secret special sauce. And a buttery crust. Place on the table to cool. I don't trust that windowsill. But Sprunkies can't live on pie alone. What we need is delicious, nutritious bread. Especially when we use it to make rainbow grilled cheese. Sprunkies prefer food with a face. Ah, the cheese pull does not disappoint. Hey, a snake! Well, that put the stop in stop motion. But remember, waste not, want not. Besides, black and green go great with red. And with a few twists and turns, it's melon season. Now we just need to slice it up. Sometimes it pays to see some red. Plus, there's plenty of slices to go around. We'll need some beverages. Pour some juice. Everyone at the same time. It's time to dig in. A Waxus? What did you roll around in?
Ew.
Well, we know just what you need. A bath. Of course, it's a bath with a Sprunky touch. Do you prefer your bath hot or cold? Our Sprunky friends prefer things just right. Now, Waxus, you just sit back and relax, and we'll make just the thing to help. Your very own facial mask. complete with soap. But let's seal it up so we can spread the suds. Now let it set. Your pores will thank you. Our friends want to help set up the new bathroom. But I guess a decorator's job is never done. The perfect thing to hold all our soaps. Plus, you can never stop at one rubber ducky. Just maybe turn it to the side. Much better. Almost done. Don't forget the bathroom sink. Not to be confused with the kitchen sink. But I think our privy's missing something. That porcelain white should be a clue. Okay, we've got a tank, a seat. I hope Sky doesn't feel insulted by this, but he can just zip his lid. Here, Oren, why don't you break it in? Hey, don't forget to wash your hands. Ugh, don't forget to flush either. Everything is coming up roses. Looks like we need to do some laundry. We're gonna need a washing machine. This should help with the spin cycle. Now for some finishing touches. It's time for our first load. You remembered to add detergent, right? Almost done. Hang it up to dry. Unless, of course, you want to make a dryer, too. Besides, Mr. Sun is nature's dryer, and he's free. Ooh, Simon wants to donate some yellow. Wow, Mr. Sun really fills out. Now let's hang you up where you can really shine. Of course, even stars need help sometimes. Grab some twine and twist around a pole. Let's add some greenery while we're at it. Just make sure it's safe and secure. Let's add some gravel to rest your roots. Soon we'll have our own attic greenhouse.
Wow!
Big plants are nice and all, but there's room for all sizes around here. Just don't forget your watering can. What's wrong, Derple? Did you lose face? Poor Oaxis. He looks a little flat. But remember, it's what's inside that counts. Especially when what's inside is candy. Oaxis's dream can finally come true. He always wanted to be a piñata. And Derple's fine with some candy. Can Oren keep her new friend? Aw, who can say no to you?
Okay.
In fact, we'll whip up a habitat. Just the thing, somewhere that's green.
Cool!
I think she used Vinaria as a model. Never noticed she had such a big mouth. Well, hope she likes the taste of gravel. Add some greenery to chew on. And some rocks for sunbathing. Here, Lizzie, why not check it out? Besides, our flora could use some fauna. Let's have a nice place to sit.
Wow!
Wow, our Pinky house looks great! There's room for all of our friends. More importantly, there's room for all of our stuff, too. But do you think we need an addition?